Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power. Plug the charger in if the battery is low, because power plans can cap brightness. Next, find the keyboard brightness keys, often FN plus F2/F3 or sun icons, and press them once to see immediate change. Once you see no effect, open the Action Center by clicking the notification or battery icon. The brightness slider appears there. This first step tests the simplest hardware control and the OS level slider, so you know whether to proceed to deeper settings. Once done with the quick test, open Settings, go to System then Display, and move the brightness slider to the level you need. This explains how software controls intensity. If the slider is missing or limited, make sure your power plan isn't restricting output. Switch to high performance briefly to compare. Then open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update the graphics driver. Outdated drivers often disable brightness control. Make sure to restart after driver updates so the OS registers new capabilities. To finish, reboot the laptop so all changes and driver updates take effect. Then test both the FN brightness keys and the settings slider to confirm control. If the screen still dims automatically, check and toggle adaptive or sensor-based brightness in display settings because ambient light features change levels. If problems persist, reinstall the display driver or run HP Support Assistant to detect OEM-specific fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, boot into safe mode to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.